Hey, trying to do a smoky eyes and becoming panda eyes. Don't worry, this video is only for you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Glamour, and if you new here, my name is Ria. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create an exotic smoky eye look by following some simple steps. So if you are interested, so keep on watching and watch the video till the end without skipping. Let's jump into the video directly. In the very beginning, brush your eyebrows with a spoolie in the direction of your hair growth. Here I have taken mascara applicator. Then fill your eyebrows with eyebrow pomade or kajal or black eyeshadow. Here I have taken Swiss Beauty eyebrow pomade. Then apply some concealer all over your eyelid. This process helps you to get pigmented eyeshadow and also help you to get a sharp and better looking eyebrows. After applying concealer, set it with some powder. Here I have taken Lakme compact powder, but you can use translucent or loose powder as your wish. Then place a sellotape like this to get a sharp edge. Highlight your brow bone with a subtle highlighter. Here I have taken Sugar Contour the 4 Subtle Summit palette to highlight my brows. After that, you can take gel eyeliner or kajal as your cream base. Here I have taken kajal because this kajal is very blendable. This is Maybelline Colossal Kajal. You can take any waterproof kajal that you have and apply it in your lower lash line, in your upper lash line, and your eyelid like a thick winged eyeliner like this. And with the help of a pencil brush, I will smudge it out like this. You need to smudge, don't be in rush, very smoothly blend it out. In smoky eye look, blending is the key, so focus on the blending. Blend like this in your crease, don't go above crease line. Blend it need to be flawless, guys. Then blend the intensity to apply more kajal, and again you need to blend it out. With the help of the same brush, I am blending this out very flawlessly. Do not take any cream base which is not blendable. Now the fun part. Any eyeshadow you will pick will magically appear smoky. Here I have taken two nude eyeshadow together in a fluffy brush, and I will smudge my crease line. I have taken neutral color because neutrals are universally flattering, guys. So blend it in your crease very well. Take any brown color eyeshadow that you have in a fluffy brush and blend very well in your crease line. It will work as a transition color also. Blend very flawlessly. After blending, take some black color eyeshadow in a flat shader brush like this, or with the help of your finger, place directly into your eyelids but below the crease line. Don't go above crease line this time. And blend it very well, guys. Now I am taking empty fluffy brush and I am blending again everything out. Reminding you all, blending is the key in smoky eye, guys. So blending must be flawless, don't be in rush. Blend in a circular motion this time to get a very flawless kind of look. Now place some concealer in your under eye to cover dark circle and to lighten up the eye look. This part is very important, guys. Don't skip this part. Then set it in some powder Here I have taken the same powder and I am highlighting my inner corners with the same highlighter from Sugar Palette. Then this is the optional part. I am drawing a wing eyeliner, but if you do not want to have a wing eyeliner, you can skip this part. Today I am not going to wear any false lashes, so I feel very dramatic, so I am doing this wing eyeliner. After that I will add some kajal in my lower lash line and my waterline, and I will smudge it with a flat shader brush directly. After that, take a darker brown color eyeshadow. I will again smudge my lower lash line with this same brush, same flat shader brush, and this time you need to smudge from the outer corner towards the inner corner. And after that I will take same two neutral colors. You can take anything that you have, and again I will blend everything out. I will soften the edges so there won't be any harsh line. Curl your eyelash and apply some mascara. Here I have taken Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and I will apply double curling method. If you are not applying any false lashes, to make a dramatic look, you can apply this method. Before applying mascara, you need to curl your eyelash very well, and after applying mascara, when your mascara is still tacky, you need to curl your lash line one more time. So, how is it? This is the final look, guys. I think you have enjoyed this video, and if you feel this video is helpful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel for such useful videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. So till then, take care and